I will teach you how to use manual feed, electronic drilling and tapping machine. First, loosen clamp bolt and adjust table by turning the table bracket handle to appropriate height. Tighten clamp bolt. Second, adjust drilling depth. Use feed handle to turn feed shaft counterclockwise. When drill touches workpiece, loosen lock handle and rotate spindle scale. Remember to tighten lock handle again. If I want to drill a depth of 15 mm, I rotate spindle scale until the arrow aims at 15. This is electronic control panel. Turn the switch to the left in the drilling mode. Use feed handle to turn feed shaft counterclockwise. Spindle goes down. Turn feed shaft clockwise. Spindle goes back. Turn the switch to the middle. The machine stops. Now, change a drill to a tap. Remember to tighten shut after change. Same as drilling, rotate the spindle scale to decide how much depth you want to tap. Turn the switch to the right to the tapping mode. And like drilling mode, in the tapping mode, when the spindle reaches the end, it spins reversely. When the spindle reaches the end, you can see the reverse light is on. In an emergency during tapping work, press the emergency reverse. Spindle spins reversely, right away. Now, everything is ready. We can start to drill and tap. If you had a lot of workpiece with more than one hole to drill, you try to use our multi-spindle drilling head. You will save a lot of time.